Hey everyone, it's Jessica with ShortStack. Let me walk you through the main parts of setting up the photo contest template to make it your own. Before diving in to make your edits, here are a few things you need to know about the builder. This is edit mode. With edit on, you can edit each component by either clicking the pencil icon within it or within its respective widget here in the Edit Widgets panel. Edit off will allow you to interact with the content as if you were a visitor interacting with your live campaign. To edit the content within this template, click the pencil icon within each widget. For example, to edit the content in this nav bar, click this pencil icon. You can swap out the logo by clicking this trash can icon. Click the plus sign to add a new image. When the Media Manager opens, you can upload new media or select the image you'd like to use. Whenever you're done editing a widget, make sure to click Save and Exit. To edit any style attribute, including the size and color of text, padding, hover effects, and backgrounds, you'll do so in the Style panel. To edit this background image, select the container that has the background applied. In the Style panel, you'll see the style options for that container. You can remove or replace the background image here. This form container displays the entry form for this contest. You can customize the fields by adding and editing field widgets. Before you begin to edit the fields, you can customize some of the settings for the form within the form container itself. For example, under entry restrictions, edit how many times you'd like to allow participants to enter. I'll configure this to allow participants to enter once per day. You can also set up an alert to let you know when a new entry has been submitted. Add up to 3 email addresses to receive these alerts. When you're done editing the form settings, click Save and Exit. Edit the individual fields within the form by editing each field widget. For example, within the Upload field, you can configure what types of files you'd like to allow participants to upload. The Entry Display widget will display the uploaded photos in a gallery. Within this widget, expand the filtering options to configure whether or not you would like to display approved entries only. Under Voting, set a start and end date for your voting period. Also, configure how many times you'd like to allow voters to vote. Lastly, add some rules to this rich text widget. Once you've customized the content within your landing page, use the Style panel to customize the look and feel of it. Watch how to use the Style panel, linked in this video's description.